Hello, welcome to the official Orland Math Whiz channel. In today's video, I will graph linear equations in point-slope form. Please click the like and subscribe buttons below. By subscribing, you will be notified of all new posted videos. If you have any questions about this video, please leave a comment and I will be happy to respond. If you wish to know more about my tutoring services, please visit my website orlandmathwiz.com, explore, and submit an inquiry. Now, let's start activating your inner math wizardry. A line is a straight, one-dimensional geometric figure that has neither a length nor width. It is made up of an infinite number of points and extends in opposite directions. A linear equation is one that describes a line. Let me first take the time to cover some basics of the Cartesian coordinate system. Please see my other video on this topic. I provided the link below. The Cartesian coordinate system is made up of two perpendicular lines that intersect at the origin, or 0, point. It is divided into four quadrants, numbered counterclockwise in Roman numerals as quadrants 1, 2, 3 and 4. The horizontal line crossing the origin is called the x-axis. The vertical line crossing the origin is called the y-axis. The equation of any horizontal line is in the form y equals b. The equation of any vertical line is in the form x equals a. The x-axis is the y equals 0 line. This means that anywhere on the x-axis, the y value is 0. The y-axis is the x equals 0 line. This means that anywhere on the y-axis, the x value is 0. So, the x-intercept ordered pair is a0. The y-intercept ordered pair is 0b. These are important facts to remember when exploring linear and other mathematical functions. The slope, or steepness of the line, is designated as the letter m. Slope is equal to rise over run. It is calculated by using 2 points with the formula m equals the quantity y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over the quantity x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Alternatively, it can be calculated by the formula quantity y sub 1 minus y sub 2 over the quantity x sub 1 minus x sub 2. The difference between the two formulas is just the order you do the subtractions. Using the slope formulas, we can see that the slope of a horizontal line is 0, since all y values are equal and that the numerator is equal to 0. Similarly, the slope of a vertical line is undefined, since all x values are equal and that the denominator is equal to 0. A line with a positive slope goes from left to right, up the page. A line with a negative slope goes from left to right, down the page. There are three forms of linear equations: standard form, slope-intercept form, and point-slope form. I will cover only point-slope form in this video. The other two forms are discussed in separate videos. The point-slope form of a linear equation is y minus y sub 1 equals m times the quantity x minus x sub 1. M is the slope. X sub 1 y sub 1 is a point on the line. Let me illustrate this method with examples. Example 1. Determine two equations in point-slope form and graph the line that goes through the following 2 points. -1, 0 and 5, 5. To determine the equations of the line, we first designate the 2 points. Let -1, 0 be the point x sub 1 y sub 1 and 5, 5 as x sub 2 y sub 2. We graph the line by plotting the 2 points and connecting them with a line. Using the formula for slope, m equals the quantity 5 minus 0 over the quantity 5 minus 1. This is equal to 5 over the quantity 5 plus 1, which is 5/6. Alternatively, using the other formula for m, this is equal to the quantity 0 minus 5 over the quantity -1 minus 5. This is equal to -5 over -6, which is 5/6. Selecting -1, 0 as x sub 1 y sub 1. The equation of the line in point-slope form is y minus 0 equals 5/6 times the quantity x minus 1. So, one equation in point-slope form is y minus 0 equals 5/6 times the quantity x plus 1. Alternatively, Using the other point as x sub 1 y sub 1, we get the equation y minus 5 equals 5/6 times the quantity x minus 5. Example 2. Determine two equations in point-slope form and graph the line that has the following information. Slope of -2 and y-intercept of 4. We first graph the line by plotting the y-intercept 0, 4. We plot a second point by plotting the slope. Slope of -2 is the same as -2 over 1. So, from the y-intercept we go down 2 and to the right 1. Connect these 2 points. Using the point 0, 4, the equation of the line in point-slope form is y minus 4 equals -2 times the quantity x minus 0. Let's find another equation using the second point. This gives us y minus 2 equals -2 times the quantity x minus 1. Now, you try. Exercise 1. Determine an equation in point-slope form and graph the line with the following information. Slope of -5 and y-intercept of 3. Please pause the video while you solve this exercise. Solving this problem step by step yields the following graph and equation. Y minus 3 equals -5 times the quantity x minus 0. Exercise 2. Determine two equations in point-slope form and graph the line that goes through the following 2 points. 5, -4 and 3, 2. Please pause the video while you solve this exercise. Solving this problem step by step yields the following graph and equation. Y plus 4 equals -3 times the quantity x minus 5. Alternatively, this is y minus 2 equals -3 times the quantity x minus 3. This completes today's video on graphing linear equation in point-slope form. Please remember to like and subscribe below. Unleash the math wizard in you. Mathematics and physics are the languages that explain the whole universe.